Hello guys, this video is going to be very short and straightforward because I want to tell you two things you need to do before you think about posting your video on YouTube. In fact, before you think about creating that video, there's two things I want you to do. First of all, make sure you have your thumbnail ready. Yeah, most time it is not always feasible, but it is very good when you have it pictured in your head before you bring it to life and before you create the video. So if you are not able to create the video, at least you have it pictured in your head how you want your thumbnail to be, so that you can be able to go through people that upload content like yours and see if it tallies with what you've thought of, or if you can tweak your own to make it better, like the ones you see that your competitors are uploading in your niche. So it's very important to do that because it sets you apart from people that are just uploading anyhow without having focus or direction. The second and last thing I want you to do is your title. Always have your title ready. And I wonder how you create video and you don't have your title ready. How do you create video if you don't have title? Because your title is going to determine what you are talking about in your video. So the way I do it is I generate lots of video ideas. I have them down. Most time I write it as it is coming, and I might not even create it till months later, but just have it down. And then when I want to create video, I go to where I wrote everything down or where everything is. I go through the ones I want to film so that I can make the video, copy my title and post. If I need to tweak some things in the title, I tweak it. And how do you know you need to tweak it? How do you know this title is perfect? It is by going to YouTube, searching that title out and seeing the video that pops up. Watch some of the videos, go through the comments, go through the description, see what people are asking, people see what people are saying, see how they do their thumbnail, see how their description is, the hashtag, the keywords. That will give you like a clear guide on what to do before you film your own. So it is like you already have a template and you are just following it, other than just going blindly into it. So those title and thumbnail I've mentioned is a way for you to be able to optimize your video before you post it. And the funniest thing is when you see videos like that and you go to their comments and you see people asking questions, it will give you leverage over the person that have uploaded their own, because now you can be able to answer those questions or even create a separate videos about those questions to answer them. That's like even extra content for you. And the funny thing is you can get many ideas from questions that are being asked from different competitors. So why do you think having your title down and having your thumbnail ready before the video is ready or before you even post is a bad thing, or it's not, it is too much? It's not doing too much. It is helping you know what you are doing, creating a template, a clear guide for you to be able to, you know, push forward and do things that you're supposed to do in your niche and be successful about it. It is also what is not going to make you be so overly stressed about thinking of, oh, what should I do? Or what can I do? Oh, I'm tired. I don't even know what to do. Duh. Duh. I just finished telling you what you can do to make it easy for you. So if you're able to learn a lot from this, please do well to like, share, subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to get notified when next I post any new videos. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.